تحب نتمشى شوية؟
ماشي.
تحب نتمشى شوية؟
حاضر.
تحب نتمشى شوية؟
طيب.
ماشي، حاضر، طيب. What the difference between these three? Are they the same? Or there is a shade of meaning? That's what we'll know in our episode today from Linguamid. So, let's start. In fact, mashi, it means I am walking. Okay, I am walking. And yimshi, the verb to walk, yimshi. And mashi, I am walking. So if I want to say أنا ماشي دلوقتي, you say I am leaving now. I'm gonna walk or I'm gonna leave now. أنا ماشي دلوقتي. But if you just say ماشي as an answer without any additional words, so without أنا or without دلوقتي, just ماشي. تحب نتمشى شوية؟
ماشي.
Our second word here is tayyib. Tayyib, originally it means a good person or something good, and came from tayyib also in Arabic, in modern standard Arabic. When I say something is tayyib, it means it is good in nature. It doesn't necessarily mean that there is a human being or it is characterizing a human being. No, it could characterize anything. Okay, so when I say, for example, الطعام طيب, الطعام, which is the food in modern standard Arabic, you say the food is good. The food is good. It's healthy. It's not, let's say, it's still ripe. It's still good. It doesn't gone bad. It hasn't gone bad. For example, it can be still edible. Okay, الطعام طيب, or I like it. It's really looks delicious. It has a good smell and so on. So this is طيب. And طيب also can characterize a person. Like for example, الراجل ده طيب قوي. This man is really good. هو طيب قوي. هو طيب قوي. And sometimes also طيب, it means a naive. Okay, when I say the same sentence with a sarcastic manner, oh, الراجل ده طيب قوي. See the difference? It's a sarcastic manner. It means, oh, this man is really naive. Okay, he's very good, but he doesn't understand that this matter is more complex like this. Naive. Okay, so طيب, it means good or naive depending on the sentence or the phrase. But when we say, for example, طيب without a noun, just the noun طيب, it means okay. So if I want to say, for example, do you want to go for a walk? عايز تتمشى? I say طيب. تحب نتمشى شوية؟
طيب.
طيب. Okay, so طيب here, it doesn't mean good. I am good or I'm a good person. No, it means it's a good thing to try. Okay, so I am okay with you. طيب. Okay, so طيب here is, I would say, it has an exact meaning of mashi. Okay, طيب, mashi, طيب or mashi, they have more or less the same meaning. The third one here, which is حاضر. Okay, we said طيب and we said mashi. حاضر here, actually the meaning of حاضر from modern standard Arabic, it's present. I am present. أنا حاضر. I am here. I came and I'm here. Okay, أنا حاضر. And the opposite of it is غائب or غايب in spoken Egyptian, which is absent. Okay, حاضر, غايب. You say, for example, in the school, الحضور versus الغياب, the presence versus absence. الحضور, كراسة الحضور. Okay, the notebook of presence where we write if somebody is here or not. And also the الغياب, which is the absence. So حاضر, it means actually I am here and present. But if we say حاضر, exactly the same as the previous two, as a reply to a question, do you want to do something? And I say حاضر. Or for example, I am telling my little kid, okay, you need to do so and so and so. I say حاضر. You are a good kid. You say حاضر and you don't negotiate a lot about it, or you don't have any negative feelings about what I am telling you as a father, you say حاضر. You obey. I will do this, Papa. So you say حاضر, and the حاضر here, it means agree. Okay, agree. So حاضر is I agree, and I would say as a native that حاضر has a more, let's say, a more emphasis on agreeing compared to طيب and ماشي. تحب نتمشى شوية؟ حاضر. So طيب and ماشي, you say them when you are indifferent about something, but okay, you will let it be done, you will let it go, okay, and you say have a try. So حاضر. So طيب ماشي. Okay, maybe I am not 100% with you, but who cares? I will do it anyway. But حاضر, it means okay, yes, I will do it, and I am convinced that I want to do it. Okay, so here the level of حاضر is higher than طيب and ماشي. So now we know the difference between the three words. We know the difference between حاضر, between طيب, between ماشي. Let's summarize. ماشي, it means walking, but ماشي alone is okay. طيب, it means a good thing or a good person or a naive person, depending on the situation, but طيب alone, it means okay. حاضر, it means present. Okay, I am here. But حاضر as a reply to a question, it means okay, I agree. And we talked at the end that حاضر has more emphasis on the on being agree, or the, let's say, the being okay with doing the thing compared to the other two. So when I say حاضر, I have more motivation compared to ماشي or to طيب. This ends our episode today. I hope it was fun, light, and easy for you to understand and digest. If you have any question, just drop me a comment in the description or in the comment section below. You will find my Egyptian Arabic 101 free course link in the first comment and the description box. Make sure to join, it's completely free. And have a look at my description box and all the resources there. They are very important and they give you the big picture. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, like this episode, and share if you like this content. And I'm very happy to have you in this episode and the future episodes. See you later and have a great day.